What's up, you guys? And I'm super duper excited once again to show you a brand new feature that's coming out on Instagram, and this is how you can make money off of the Instagram platform. So stay tuned. Hi you guys, it's Rocky, and I just wanted to share with you something that TechCrunch just dropped to everyone. They just dropped the ball. They put Instagram out there, and I'm super duper excited about it, okay? So I've been doing recently an IGTV beta challenge for people to teach them how to learn IGTV, how to monetize their business themselves and stuff like that when TechCrunch drop this ball, and I'm super duper excited. Instagram TV monetization. Yes, you have heard me. They are going that route officially, you guys. They actually have a prototype in motion, and if you don't know what monetization is, pretty much is saying that when you run your Instagram TV program, if you allow Instagram to run ads through your program, kind of like YouTube does, you can monetize and get money off of that. All right, so they can run ads in the middle of your videos and you can get a cut of that. So TechCrunch says that there's actually a prototype in process. It's the Instagram partner program to where you can monetize your IGTV account. So this is bomb. Okay, so once the ad is shown, you get a cut. Now they don't know what cut you're gonna get, like what percentage or anything like that, but the theory is it's going to be about 55%, because Facebook Watch has monetization as well, and they are giving their content creators 55%. So they're assuming that because Facebook does it and Facebook now owns Instagram, that they're gonna get 55% of the cut as well. But of course, all of this is what's the word, starts with an A, darn it, I can't think of it, but that's what they're saying is gonna happen. Okay, so it's yeah, anyway. So monetization was supposed to happen a while ago, but the reason why they didn't want to monetize right away was because they weren't sure as to if they really wanted to do it based on the content that people were sharing. They were saying that the content wasn't that good. Many people weren't paying attention unless it was a celebrity. So are the creators on Instagram really worth monetizing their Instagram account, because the stuff just wasn't producing anything for them to build ads off of? Because if you know anything else about Facebook Watch or YouTube, all the ads are kind of related to what you're already currently watching. So the stuff that they're watching on IGTV, they were kind of like, yeah, I don't know how to throw an ad in here, right? But finally, they say, you know what, we're going to take that step, we're going to take that jump, and then we're going to do this partner program. Okay, so how can you be monetized on IGTV? So according to TechCrunch, it is simply an application, just like YouTube, just like Facebook. You apply. Okay, in order for you to be eligible, once you're eligible for monetization, it'll tell you you are now eligible for monetization. You can see it right here. Doot, doot, doot. Okay, this is what it's going to look like. All right, so what are the rules, and when you apply, what considers you to be eligible? Okay, and it seems pretty simple, right? So it says you have to make sure you follow all of Instagram's rules. You know, they got a lot of rules about spam and what you say and how you say it and bullying and all sort of kind of stuff. So go ahead and look through the community standards and make sure your page is following all of those rules. Okay, you have to have authentic content. Okay, not no shared content. You can't do a video based off of stuff that you heard or might be false news or anything like that. Okay, it has to be your content that you created with your face or your business or whatever the case is. You can't use anybody else's stuff. You can't repost and make it into a video. It has to be your original content. All right, no false information and no fake news, because they're not having it, right? So if you have false information, fake news, and all this other kind of stuff, then you might want to go ahead and start cleaning up your Instagram now so that you can be monetized. And the last thing is no restricted content. If you know that you can't have it, especially the females still trying to show their boobs on Instagram, okay? No nipples, okay? Instagram does not allow nipples, all right? So make sure that all of the stuff that you post is not restricted content. It's nothing that breaks, again, the community standards and the community rules. So after all of this, when you apply and you get eligible, okay, they'll tell you what your cut is going to be and how much you'll make per ad, and then the ads will start running. There's not a huge breakdown of the program, like how many videos you have to upload, or how many, how often you have to upload, or anything like that. I'm assuming, just like Facebook, once you put your your stuff up there, just like YouTube when you put your stuff up there. They just kind of do it in the background and then you'll get the earnings from it. But of course, you have to dig down into your IGTV content, see what you're producing, how you're producing it, and grow the audience. Because if you don't have the audience on Instagram TV, then you are most definitely not going to get the ads, all right? So with that being said, you guys, of course, the latest and greatest, but I'm going to give a little plug here, all right? I'm teaching all of my clients how to do IGTV in the IGTV Engagement Challenge and Beta course. I would love for you all to attend and to join. The link is in the comments below. We have already started, but don't even worry about it. Go ahead and hop in and binge watch, okay? All of the course content is free, no charge to you. Only thing I want is testimonials and for you to let me know how I did in building this course, okay? Because this is a course that I'm building out, all right? So you'll be my beta tester for IGTV. You'll learn IGTV and you can get the ball rolling so that you can get monetized on IGTV. So hopefully you guys are ready for this, because I am. So comment below if you're going to join, if you have heard anything about this IGTV monetization, and make sure you share this video, like and subscribe for the hottest Instagram features, tips, tricks, and news coming out on Instagram, okay? All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Be blessed.